Are you a beginner email copywriter struggling to write emails for your clients? You sit in front of your Google Doc and then you start staring at that blank page. You don't know what you should write, where you should begin, and then minutes turn into hours and you still haven't written the email copy for your client. I know because I was struggling with the same issue, but then I figured out this strategy. I found it out through other copywriters, experienced copywriters, and believe me, it has helped me that I can write any email in just 10 minutes by following this strategy. And in this video, I'll share the same strategy with you. Follow the steps that I give you, and you will be writing any email for your client in just 10 minutes. Step number one, start with a clear goal of the email. This is really important. What is your email going to be about should be very clear. Is it a welcome email? Is it a promotional email? Is it an email to promote a blog post? Is it an email for a post purchase sequence? What is the email about? That should be clear because this will be the base that we'll use for the next steps, and it will make it much easier than to implement the next steps and get your email done in 10 minutes. Step number two, use a framework to write your emails. Don't start your emails from scratch thinking what you will write about. It's already been proven, these frameworks. Use one of them that applies to your emails and you will start writing your email much faster. The frameworks that I personally use and I recommend are ADA, PAS, and SLO. So ADA, attention, interest, desire, action; PAS, problem, agitate, solution; and SLO, story, lesson, offer. So you can use this depending on the context, depending on the email. ADA can be used for any email. You can write literally any email using this framework. Problem, agitate, solution framework works well for a product or service that solves certain pain point. If some pain, mental or physical pain or some issue is there, that type of product services work well with such framework. And then story, lesson, offer again works with any type of email you can write. It can be any story. It doesn't have to be tied to the product itself as well. Any story, even from your day's task, the founder's day's task, or any news story. You can use literally anything to create that email with the story, lesson, offer framework. So highly recommend use a framework. Don't start from scratch thinking on your own. This will help you save so much time. It has helped me save so much time and it will do the same for you. Step number three, use AI to generate the first draft. Now I know there is this controversy whether to use AI or not to use AI. Now I'm not saying to just use AI, create the email and give it to the client. No, AI is just a tool, and as a good copywriter, we need to use the best tools available to give the best value for our clients. So AI is one such tool. You can use any type of AI, it doesn't matter. The main thing is the input that you give, because if the input is trash, the output will be trash as well. So like I suggested, using the framework. So you give that you want to use this particular framework, then you give all the information about the product, about the brand, whatever that information is, you feed it into the AI and then it will generate a draft for you. This is an initial draft which we will edit, we will make improvements based on our skills as a copywriter. But what it does is it gives you a base. You will never be stuck into this writer's block because of doing this. The step of choosing a framework, choosing an email framework and using AI to create your draft. So you'll always be able to create most of your email structure just by using these steps. Step number four, edit the draft in your own style. This is where your skills as a copywriter should shine. You use the email draft that the AI has given you, improve it, whether it is a story, the tone, the way the email is formatted, if there is a redundant information, redundant text in that, unwanted text, wonky grammar, whatever it is, that's the part where you come in and you improve it, use your skills, use your experience that you have, you improve it and make that better. Step number five, use Grammarly and tools like Hemingway to improve your email even further, improve it and make the process faster. Grammarly will help you catch all these spelling mistakes, grammar mistakes, something that appears wonky. Now don't just blindly use what Grammarly gives you, but look at it and keep your quality in that. But things that are wrong like spelling checks and basic grammar checks and all, it will catch and you should improve that. You can also pass it your draft through Hemingway. So you want your email to be grade 5 level, so it can have a lot of impact and people will actually read your email because it is simple enough, not complicated with the language that is being used. So pass it through Hemingway app as well. And step number 6 is to practice. Now it might be that initially when you start with the first email, it may take you more than 10 minutes. It will be much better than you writing from scratch on your own, but it will maybe more than 10 minutes. But the more you write emails, the more you keep practicing using these tools, using AI, using Grammarly, using your editing style. The more you keep doing this, the more you'll form a habit, and it will take less than 10 minutes to write your emails for your clients. I know because I have done it and it works for me, and I'm sure it will work for you as well. The important thing is to keep writing emails, keep following this pattern, and you will improve on that. Now I mentioned one of the best things you can do is use an existing framework to write your emails. Now I created a video here where I break down these frameworks of ADA, PAS, SLO in more details. So you get more details what they are about and how effectively you can use them and write emails even faster, write effective emails faster. So do check this video out.